Have you ever wondered why the structure of proteins is so crucial in biology and medicine? Imagine proteins as the workhorses of life. They toil away in our bodies, playing a role in every biological process, from metabolism to cell signaling to reproduction. Now, the structure of these proteins isn't just for show. Each protein is like a jigsaw puzzle, and its structure determines its function. Think of it as the key to a lock. Only a key with the right shape can unlock a door, and only a protein with the right structure can perform its specific function. The ability to accurately predict protein structure, therefore, is like having a master key. It unlocks our understanding of how proteins work, and it paves the way for new drugs and therapies. The key to unlocking these mysteries lies in predicting protein structure accurately, and that's where AlphaFold 2 comes in. Enter AlphaFold 2, the deep learning-based algorithm making waves in the world of protein structure prediction. This impressive tool is the brainchild of a team of scientists at Google AI, and its capabilities were first made public in the prestigious Nature journal in 2021. So, what's the big deal about AlphaFold 2? Well, it's all about proteins, the building blocks of life. Proteins are complex structures, and their functions are determined by their three-dimensional shape. However, predicting the shape from the protein's amino acid sequence, the order of the amino acids that make up the protein, has been a long-standing challenge in the field. This is where AlphaFold 2 comes in. It's designed to predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins starting from their amino acid sequence. And it does this with an accuracy that's been unheard of until now. AlphaFold 2 is not just another algorithm, it's a tool that's reshaping our understanding of proteins. You might be wondering, how does AlphaFold 2 work its magic? Well, it's a fascinating and intricate process that starts with data mining. AlphaFold 2 begins by identifying proteins similar to the target protein in a vast database of known protein structures. It's like looking for siblings or cousins in a massive family tree of proteins. This step is crucial because proteins with similar sequences often have similar structures, giving AlphaFold 2 valuable clues about the structure of the target protein. Once AlphaFold 2 has found these protein relatives, it's time for feature extraction. Here, AlphaFold 2 meticulously analyzes the target protein's amino acid sequence, the unique order of amino acids that make up the protein. If you think of the protein as a long sentence, the amino acids are its words, and each one has its own special meaning. AlphaFold 2 examines these words and extracts important features, such as the chemical properties of each amino acid and the distances and angles between them. This information is vital for predicting the protein's structure because it influences how the protein folds. Finally, the extracted features are fed into a deep learning neural network. You can consider this neural network as the brain of AlphaFold 2, where the real magic happens. This brain has been trained on thousands of known protein structures, learning their complex folding patterns. It uses this knowledge to predict how our target protein will fold into its unique three-dimensional shape. But it doesn't stop there. AlphaFold 2 goes a step further and refines its prediction, adjusting the structure until it reaches a state of lowest energy. In the world of proteins, the lowest energy state is the most stable one, and it's often the structure that the protein naturally adopts in the body. So it's a process of data mining, feature extraction, and neural network magic all rolled into one. And the result? A highly accurate prediction of a protein's 3D structure, opening up unprecedented opportunities in biology and medicine. Now let's delve into why AlphaFold 2 is such a game changer. AlphaFold 2's ability to predict protein structures with unprecedented accuracy is the key to its game-changing potential. In a recent benchmark study, it set a new standard by successfully predicting the structures of 9 out of 10 proteins with an accuracy of less than 2 angstroms. To put that in perspective, an angstrom is a unit of length that's 100 millionth of a centimeter. It's so small that it's typically used to measure atomic and molecular dimensions. This level of accuracy is a quantum leap above existing protein structure prediction methods, which typically achieve an accuracy of around 4 angstroms. That's like comparing a needle's point to a football field in the molecular world. But why does this matter? Well, the structure of a protein determines its function, so the ability to accurately predict protein structure is crucial for understanding how proteins work. It's like having a detailed map of a city rather than just a sketch. This allows scientists to navigate the complex world of proteins with precision, enhancing our understanding of biological processes and potentially leading to the development of new drugs and therapies. What makes AlphaFold 2 even more impressive is that it can predict these protein structures from just their amino acid sequence. This is the order of the protein's building blocks, much like the order of letters in a word. AlphaFold 2 can take this sequence and, using its deep learning algorithm, predict the three-dimensional structure that the protein will fold into. This level of prediction accuracy is a game changer. It's like being able to predict the exact shape a piece of paper will fold into from just a sequence of folding instructions. This could revolutionize our understanding of proteins and their role in biology and medicine. With AlphaFold 2, we're not just predicting proteins, we're predicting a new era in biology and medicine. So what does this mean for us in practical terms? Well, the potential applications of AlphaFold 2 span far and wide. In the realm of healthcare, it could revolutionize the way we design drugs and vaccines. By predicting the structure of target proteins, we can tailor-make medicines that interact with them more effectively. Beyond medicine, AlphaFold 2 could also aid in understanding diseases at a molecular level. It provides us with a detailed roadmap of protein structures, helping researchers decode the biological processes that lead to various health conditions. In industrial applications, AlphaFold 2 could be instrumental in developing new enzymes and biocatalysts, enhancing efficiency and sustainability. And let's not forget the world of academia. AlphaFold 2 could be a game changer in studying protein evolution and interactions, providing insights into how proteins have evolved over time and how they interact with each other in complex biological systems. With AlphaFold 2, the possibilities are as vast as the protein world itself.